Hello, everybody, and welcome back to a long overdue edition of Laser Fridays. All right, so before I get started and show you guys what I'm up to, I want to show you guys this unboxing video of a super cool new machine that I received from Lens Digital. It is called a Pyburn Omni Roller. And if you have been watching my most recent videos, you will see that I can make tumblers now using this super cool rotary machine. So thank you to Lens Digital for the very cool Pyburn Omni. So I'm just here unboxing it all, super excited. Anthony, there he is. Anthony was with me as usual. That man is always around when new fun toys come in, and he is such a help when it comes to learning how to use it, because let me tell you, it was, it wasn't hard, but it definitely wasn't easy to learn how to use it. Thankfully, there are a lot of YouTube videos out there. One in particular, Emily from That Mom with a Laser, her video tutorials on her YouTube channel are the best. And she also is an Eon ambassador for the laser machine that I use. And so thanks to her videos, I was able to figure out how to set up the Pyburn, as well as some videos from actual Lens Digital. But Anthony and I figured it out. You may have seen I did my very first 40-ounce tumbler last week. And it was a black tumbler with turtles on it, sea turtles. You may have seen it in my last video. But super duper excited for this very, very, very cool new machine. Tumbler orders are already coming in, so I'm super excited about that. And if you have no idea what I'm talking about, check out the video previous to this one where I talk about and show the tumbler that I made. Super duper excited to start this new endeavor. So here it is when I had it all set up in the machine, just kind of playing around with it. This is before we even knew how to use it. I was just like, oh, let's put a tumbler on it and see what happens. But super excited for this new tumbler adventure. Now, let's get on to today's Laser Friday video. So a good friend and client of mine, Heather, reached out and said she wanted 2 pieces of artwork for her adorable Rottweilers. She saw the Juno and Echo piece I had done for my puppers, and so she wanted one for her dogs, Aries and Aurora. So that is what we did. You'll see coming up. I had to do 2 because she has 2, and I made them face each other. So each one is in facing a different direction. But yeah, I'm going to just let this laser machine do its thing, and I'll be back. All right, so here you see I have the dogs are 4 layers each. And so, Rottweilers are basically black and brownish. Some have a little gold or copper in them. And in this case, Aries has definitely on his face a lot of goldish kind of copper tones, bronzy tones. I just said gold, copper, and browns, which is all 3 different colors, but you get what I mean. So I decided to do specific colors. So when I layer it, as I've said before, sometimes when you paint something and then I put them together as I pile the layers on top, it doesn't always look right. And that was the case with this one. When I finished and I put together Aries, he was perfect. Heather loved it. But Aurora just didn't seem to look right with that bronze I had, because Aurora doesn't really have any bronze color in her. So you'll see here I have bronze on both dogs, but near the end, when I'm gluing them together, you'll see I ended up painting that bronze a dark brown. So there it is. You can see that. So the dog on the right initially had the base layer as a bronze, and we both agreed it just did not look like Aurora. So we changed it and turned it to a brown. So this one had brown, black layers. And then Aries had that little bit of gold or bronze. I keep saying gold, but it was bronze. And so he got some bronze. So here I am gluing all the layers together. And I'm, cleaning up a little bit of the glue that had oozed out and seeped out from some of the lines. But yeah, I love doing these special projects and doing custom animals for people because it's so much fun. And I have mine hanging right now in my living room. I'm looking at them as I'm recording this voiceover, and they are so flippin' cute. So I love that I did these 2 dogs for Heather for her puppers. So while you watch as I continue to glue these together, I want to mention, of course, that I have a home workshop happening here in my studio in London. That is happening Sunday, October 20th, for anyone who is interested in and around the area or wants to come and see me in my home studio, October 20th. And then I will be in Dallas, Texas on March 14th to the 16th. And I'll be teaching at the Fluid Art Experience in Dallas, Texas. And then in June, the 6th to the 9th, I will be in Spokane, Washington for an all-inclusive lakeside retreat. And that one is being hosted by this little piggy from Fluid Art Co. Or from Fluid Art Co. That's who's hosting it, and Billy from Fluid Art Co. So yeah, I will be in Spokane in June and Dallas, Texas in March. And if you want any of that information, you can look in the description below this video for all that. All right, so the dogs have been glued. As you saw, I took a paintbrush and painted all the edges so that they were all nice and black and clean. And now I am painstakingly trying to make sure these puppers are exactly centered on these boards, because they have to be perfect because I'm such a perfectionist. And now I'm gluing down the names. I take a silver pen just to kind of mark down where they are, and then I just take a little black paintbrush and cover, you can see here, covering all the silver lines with a little bit of black paint, and you never knew it was even there. Well, my friends, there you have them. You've got Aurora and Aries. How adorable are they? I love how they turned out, and my client Heather loves them too. I cannot wait to see a picture of them hanging up on the wall in her place, but look how perfect they are. Yep, I'm pretty happy with them. So I would love to know what you guys think about these adorable puppers in the comments below. And if anyone wants to commission a dog, for their dog or even a cat, let me know. You can email me at canellaciraco@gmail.com. And here they are again outside. You can see Juno in the window of the door right over there. He's always lurking, that little guy. He is always, always following me, my shadow. He's such a handsome boy. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about these puppers in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed this new edition of Laser Friday. Stay tuned for some cool tumblers happening. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.